Mike again here, and today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your YouTube channel, or how to customize your YouTube channel's name. Alright, this is very easy, guys. Let's make it quick. Open up your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and let me open up my channel, how to channel. There you go. Now, if you notice, my name was changed, right? Before, the name was just how to, without the question mark, just how to, just like that. And I realized that, yeah, maybe there are other YouTubers using that name, how to, right? Because it's very common. And so I decided to change it to Mike How To instead, with the question mark. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I did it. First things first, make sure that you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in because as you can see on the upper right corner, I have here my logo, right? So all I have to do is to click on my logo and then click on settings. Go down here, click on settings, and then edit on Google. You see that one right here? Edit on Google. Click on it. And here's the place where you could actually customize the name of your YouTube account. There you go. So I'm not gonna change it right now. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna change the name of my channel right now because I already did. But this is how you do it, guys. So all you have to do is to type in your first name, your last name. As you can see, my first name is Mike. My last name is How To, because you cannot put in just the first name on it. Okay, it has to be separated. So as you can see here on the bottom, this is the display name. This is the outcome. As you can see, Mike is separated from these two. Mike How To, right? Do it. Nickname is Do It. How to do it. That's supposed to be How to Do It, but it's pretty long, so I decided to just leave it as Mike How To. Or that's how you customize your YouTube channel name, guys. All right, that's very easy. I'm not sure. I haven't checked any other ways to do it. But if I found out that there are other ways to do it, I might share it with you as well. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's our tutorial for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, my name is Mike, by the way, and I cater, or I make contents regarding basic YouTube information, basic YouTube how-tos, and help you guys out, making your life easier. That's pretty much my goal. So make any other contents, just like history. I might make a content about making history of a certain individual, like Manny Pacquiao maybe, or Floyd Mayweather or something else. Things like those. So you expect those contents coming up in the future. But in the meantime, let's focus first on YouTube, the basic, very basic of YouTube, things that you need to know when you start becoming a YouTuber. All right. So please do subscribe. And again, my name is Michael. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.